Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
The next reaction, it's May June 2018, paper 42, question 6C. So 2-nitrophenol is a product of phenol in nitration reaction. So phenol is more reactive than benzene in the reaction. And question 1 us to show how this condition show phenol to be more reactive than benzene. So the reaction for phenol in nitration, the conditions is just dilute nitric acid at room temperature. But for benzene, so it needs concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid as the catalyst and higher temperature needed. So next, suggest why phenol is more reactive than benzene. So they want us to give the reason. So in this case, we could actually see there's a lone pair in oxygen that attach directly to benzene ring. So the lone pair here will delocalize over the ring. So this shows that actually OH is the electron donating group. So where it's donate electron to the ring causes the ring to have more electrons. So it is more reactive towards electrophile in electrophilic substitution. So the point to go for this question is that lone pair on oxygen delocalize into benzene ring. That's all for today. Thank you.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.